everyone, and welcome to this Sunday morning video for you. And here we are, my cousin Tom and his girlfriend is upstairs right now. She just comes here ringing the doorbell and then Pip barking. So that doesn't spoil anything in this video. So I've just taken a selfie on Instagram though. And all of a sudden the bell and then the doorbell ring like ding dong like that. And who's to be that stranger? No, that's my cousin Tom and his girlfriend. Yeah, where did this come back from? I don't know where it's come back from last night. so yeah. And also right now, Nana Papa's over there because Nana's 70th birthday today. So I also seen my video on my camera that my granddad just got Apple Watch. So I wish you get Apple Watch. It'll be fun, wasn't it? I would get a watch. You got a little cool some gadget material, cool gadget to put on the wrist and stuff like that. There'll be a good one. So that'll be a nice one. So yeah, I'm watching Tour de France over there where the cycling are, what a cyclist imagine of. So what's upstairs? So yeah. Here we are. That's cousin Tom, and it's come back from. I don't know where it's just come back from. I don't know. So what a nice one it is. So yeah. Scissors. So yeah, here you have my cousin Tom is outside right now with his girlfriend. Yeah, I don't know where it's come back from. It's come back from the party, wherever like that. So yeah, that'll be a good one. Another 20% remaining battery. It come to outside pet on the fart. So here we are. Hello. Yes.
They're finally getting it going.
Oh yeah.
Finally
Getting going.
You're going to help?
Fine.
Yeah.
Got it.
I tell you what. No, through the bag. What does it look like? I'm going to do it over here.
It's a round thing. I had a vague idea that I hoovered up something that didn't look, it looked a bit like that, but I didn't think at the time. What are you looking for, Mark?
Where's the bin?
What are you looking for, Mark?
Let's crack the barbecue.
Wait, is this from, is it, have you lost it since the other day? Is it lost since the other day? It's on your chin. It's got black all on your chin. Oh, God. Right, George?
Yes. Yeah.
Have you met Grace?
Yeah. Maybe met Grace. I don't know. Yes.
Right then. I hope you're hungry.
Really hungry too. Yeah. Maybe hungry too.
Do you want to watch Pip play with this football? Watch him kick the football. Aha, she's got it.
There you are. No way.
Don't throw it, don't throw it.
Come on.
Yeah, I'll put that in.
Go and kick the ball for the dogs.
Put it on camera. Come on.
Oh, no.
What?
Yeah. Oh. There you are. See?
No, it's not in.
I'm just hoovering up something, and at the time I thought, I wonder what that is.
So
It's not going to play football.
he's not going to play football. That's a shame, wasn't it? Wow. Cool.
So apparently the two dogs are best friends.
Football. Ball. Where's the ball? Pip.
Where's the ball?
So Travis has said Schnitzel was overexcited yesterday after Luca's arrival. I think that was the reason behind the summer party. We took them for a walk last night and plans to give Schnitzel an extra long walk until she saw Tony and Luca waddling home, and she dragged me off to them. Since then, they've been the best of friends. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Same.
The thing is, it's neither of